Hello from sunny France. We are in the south of France. We're staying in a cute little village called Saint Maxime. It's kind of known as Saint Tropez's little sister. It is so cute. Like, I totally took a risk booking this on booking.com, but I killed it. So good. We're here because I'm doing hair and makeup for a wedding. I actually did her friend's wedding in London last year. She was a bridesmaid and asked if I would do hers in the south of France. So, oh, look at, have a little friend. Oh, flew away. So naturally, I said yes. So we brought the family and we're at the Saint Maxime Matisse Best Western Hotel, and it is so good. The reviews were amazing. We got a family room and they have a little bunk bed over there, which I'll show you later, but we've had a long day of travel, like 10 hours of travel. We need to go eat. I need to freshen up. I'm like an oily station at the moment. I don't even know if that made sense. Anyways, we'll bring you guys with us.
Ice cream! Look at ice cream!
It's a video. It's a video, not a picture.
You have to talk.
No, I don't know what to say.
Well,
You
where
don't
are
have to
we?
say anything. What did we just have?
Where are
We just had dinner at Monsieur Bianca. Monsieur Bianca. And then we're gonna go to the port and check out the boats. They are crazy right now.
I'm a monkey. I'm going to the boat.
So beautiful.
So cute.
It is so beautiful.
I have a wedgie. Look at that boat. It's like a big.
A rib.
This is like the most beautiful little village.
Wait.
It's like such a gem. Patty and I were saying everyone we've passed is French, which is nice. Like, it's not overly touristy here. It's like an actual, correct me if I'm wrong, anyone that's watching this, but Saint Maxime feels like an actual like little haven for French people. It doesn't
All
feel
the
like
menus are in French.
overly, yeah, it's not like incredibly tourist. It obviously has like a tourist attraction, but it's really
Authentic.
appealing and not intimidating like some other places.
Nice to explore.
Oh, you literally touched bird poo.
The only time Elanna will actually get into the sea is if it's 27 degrees. You good? This is Saint Maxime. We are at the Chateau de Bern for a wedding makeup trial. And here she is herself.
Hello.
This is Olive. We are in Orgs while Elanna is doing her makeup. And we're just exploring.
There's two honey's.
On a little boat ferry from Saint Maxime to Saint Tropez. We're gonna go explore for a little and have dinner and then take the ferry back.
Kids are loving it.
Up to.
You happy? Oscar? Happy?
Yeah.
Yeah? There's cruises. We're gonna buy a yacht. Excuse you, Oscar.
What's that noise?
What was that, you?
No. It's a boat.
We are arriving in Saint-Tropez on our yacht. You're gonna go play with him?
Yeah.
You go. You go.
Go over and ask her to play with you. Found it.
Oh.
Menu, we have specials. We have boboon, we have filet from Saint-Pierre, Saint-Peter, filet, dorade, filet.
Like just
with
plain?
butter?
Yeah. Can I get 2 of those?
No, bolognese,
Yeah.
nothing, just butter.
They're simple.
1, 2, 2.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Everyone's taking pictures.
Everybody's taking pictures.
Why?
Because look,
What?
how nice is it?
So nice. Daddy,
So nice, isn't it?
it's like a top.
Ice
Daddy,
cream.
I'm almost done.
Almost done.
Kinder Bueno. Bueno.
How good a ferry ride was that? That's so beautiful.
Nice.
We've made it to Antibes and we are walking around towards the old district. Do you see the boats?
Stinky.
Thank you, Oscar.
Daddy's breath is stinky.
Yes, we
Your
are
breath is stinky.
heading to the airport.
Stinky.
Yeah.
We've stayed at the Novotel last night,
Your breath is stinky, my breath.
so we're ready to go.
We're
Ready
ready
to
to
go.
Back
go.
home.
Now we
Stinky
have
breath.
to bring the key.
Little different scenery than the south of France. We've been home a couple days and I am in Dublin for the night. I am about to head out to the Narciso Rodriguez event. It's for a new perfume, which is actually really exciting because Narciso Rodriguez is like, you know how everyone has like a smell, like their perfume? I'm a perfumatic, like I have ones for how I feel and seasons, but it's been a constant repurchase in my perfume fragrance wardrobe, if you will, since I was 22. So going on a decade of using it, just the original in the pink bottle, but I also have the rose one as well. I just love it. And I feel like I don't really know a lot of people that wear it, which makes me love it more. Anyways, heading to that for a new launch from them, which I'm sure I will love. And then just taking it easy, I'm gonna head to Grafton Street because I have a pair of Lululemons, you know, the line pants, they're like butter. This has happened to the second pair I've had, and I've not worn these for like 3 years, this one. But the inside, like my legs touch, sue me. So they pill really bad, so bad that they end up like splitting at the seams. So a little annoying if it's like a fabric malfunction or how it's stitched. I don't know, just seems a little intense. So I think their policy is that you can take them back and swap them out for a new pair. I just want the same ones. I just don't want this to keep happening. So wish me luck on that front. Hopefully it's the same across. I know in North America you can do that, but we're obviously in the EU, being in Dublin, so I don't know what the warranty situation is over here. Anyways, and then tomorrow, the main reason I'm in Dublin is I am having my first photo shoot, cover photo shoot with some other girls. I'll leave it there because I don't think I'm allowed to say anymore, but it's at the hotel I'm staying at, which is the Radisson Blu Royal in Dublin. And I think it's in a suite, so super convenient for me in the morning. Okay, my little coat is from Dunn's. It's like this scarf wrap coat that is the Totemi, I don't know how to say the brand, dupe, but for €40, 40 pounds, so much better. And then I have like a really cute peplum knit from H&M on that I'll show you later. And then these TK Maxx trousers that are definitely too big, but go with the vibe. And then my mango slingback heels that I love. I'm gonna order an Uber and go to the event. The event was so nice. It was really low key in the Marion Hotel in the Patrick Gull something restaurant. It was like fine dining. It was really intimate, like just one table full of girls, and it was really nice. The new perfume is so good. Oh my goodness. I think I already said that I've been wearing the For Her de parfum for the last 10 years, and this one's like a musky rose. He mixes a musk with all of his fragrances, so they're meant to be layered and you can kind of like make up your own scent, which is a fun fact. But I am glazed in skincare. My hair is skincare? Hair. Did I say skin hair? Skincare. My hair is awful, but I'm gonna do it in the morning, and I think I'm gonna film how I do my hair because it's how I did it for a friend's wedding in Canada, and a lot of people were asking, so I thought I'll do it on here, and then I think I'll film my makeup for Instagram. So see you guys in the morning. Morning. Sorry if there's a little bit of an echo because it's just better lighting to film in this bathroom. And like I said, I'm gonna show you how I do my hair. I'm on 5th day and I wore it like slicked back with a lot of hairspray yesterday, so this is like the perfect time to do this hairstyle. Also, I did just get my hair done. It's not my roots. I always ask for a root tap so that it grows out a little bit more naturally and it's not like a stark highlight line. But then when my hair gets really greasy, it looks a little bit like roots. So hopefully that doesn't really mess up the look. But we are going to do a half up look with some extensions, and I've not worn extensions for over a year now. I'm on a growing out my hair journey, although yesterday at the event there was a girl there that had the chicest haircut, and it was like right here, like her jaw, and I was like, oh, but I'm gonna try and resist because my hair has gotten really long. I had it like here for the last 6 months, so we're at like 2 inches of growth. So I need to continue just like 2 inches more, and I think I'd be really happy because my hair's really thick now. So get on that rosemary train. It's rosemary oil once a week, swear by it. Okay, enough talking. I literally have a bag full of hair here. It is not great quality hair, so it's like fake, like plastic hair. I got them online. I want to say like Lulubells or something, like one of those Instagram hair brands. I know they do have real hair, but I got the fake one because it was like, honestly, I think it was 25 pounds. And it's fine for like an event. Even a wedding was too long. Like it got so matted with like sweat and everything. So take that into consideration. I'm not recommending it because I do think there's a time and a place for like fake hair if you're like me and you don't wear extensions anymore and you just want it for like a look. Like this photo shoot is perfect because it's like a couple of hours and then I can whip them out, but I wouldn't get them to like wear them all the time. Like they just won't last. You need to invest in real hair. We need to blend. So I'm gonna take a good amount of hair at the bottom here. So basically kind of from my ears down, it looks like. And you're gonna need a little clear elastic, and I'm gonna braid that back piece and kind of pin it up so that it's non-existent, so you don't see the ends of my natural hair, and it just goes right to extensions, so automatically it just makes it look a lot more seamless. Like that. So there's a couple different layers of this. Like I have not brushed this out, it is natty looking. Clip this literally right over that braided mound. Now this is like the start of my hair. Okay, next, I'm gonna kind of pre-section my hair out how I'm gonna wear it. So I'm gonna take from the top of my ear and literally go to this crown area here. That's where I'm gonna be wearing my hair, so I have to make sure anything that goes here is gonna be shown. So I'm gonna pre-clip that away. This one needs a good brush because I think I wore this one on the bottom last time and I wore the larger one on the top, and I learned because the clips were starting to show through. I'm just gonna tease a little area at the roots so that the extension clips have something to grab onto and it's not pulling at the weight of your hair, or the root, sorry. See how it like ends here, where the other one I like kind of put too much higher and there was like clips going right to my ears, and it was not it. So this definitely helps, and because it's higher up, it adds like another layer of volume because, or sorry, just layers, because this one is obviously longer, this one's shorter. And then I can just curl some pieces to kind of blend a little bit more. But I think I'm happy with just these 2 moments of hair. I don't think I want to add any more because they're like fully hidden. Just gonna really flip out the ends. I'm not curling these because again, the extensions don't have a curl, it's a flip. And I'm making sure I'm not adding the extension because that could melt. Okay, so that should be good. Let's see how that just blends a lot nicer now and adds to the flippy movement. And honestly, it just feels very like, you know, glam, and it's a lot less maintenance and actually a lot less heat on my hair. And yeah, I feel fabulous with this. So now it's working with this top section. I feel in 2 minds about this, like if I want a slight part or not. Honestly, it's not a big issue, but for some reason, parting on a slicked moment definitely makes a look. This is where having 5th day hair is in your favor because it is so greasy. It kind of snatches for you. If this was like freshly washed hair, you'd have to put a lot of product in to get the manipulation because I don't have like super long hair here and they'd be fluffy and going down. They would not be listening to the brush movements. So if you have like really long face framing pieces like baby hairs, crack on, but I feel like a lot of blondes have a weaker hairline. And then I'm just gonna do the same thing with the top piece of hair, just manipulate the bottoms for a little bit of movement. And now this is where it gets fun with kind of how you place it. All you need is your favorite hairspray. This is the one I've used for years, the Session Spray by Kevin Murphy. And I'm gonna do a big spray. Let it sit for a sec. And then I have this got to be, it's like a glue basically, and it's pretty much done, like pretty much empty. There's like remnants left, but I actually use it to manipulate the hairspray. So it's not that like intense glue. Like it does work when it's in its full form, but sometimes it does leave a little bit of like a white cast, which I'm not here for. So this is where, yeah, I feel like I'm gonna have to redo it. So this is where I can see like it's too poofy, but doing this prior, when I take it out, it makes it less work. Right at those baby hairs, see the difference when like you really slick it back compared to not? Like there's full on hairs that I didn't know existed with the bigger brush. Take out that elastic. Now that I have the proper hair tightness that I want, finesse the ends that got a little bunched. This is the most time consuming part of the hairstyle because it has to be slicked. I'm just going to secure it with this bad boy. You can almost do 2 of these for extra security. I'm happy with that. I feel like it's slicked back, but not too Ariana Grande, where it's like from here. Length, volume, and a snatched feature. I feel like it's like showing up weird colors in this lighting because of the bathroom light, but this is it. And I feel like the makeup will kind of finish it, so I'll come back when my makeup's done. Okay, it got a little chaotic. I spent way too much time on my makeup, but I just enjoyed the experience of getting ready and I filmed it, so that will be on Instagram with everything linked or listed. I'm still wearing the earrings I wore yesterday, which are the Crystal & Co. Jody Wood collaboration. And then the photo shoot was so good. It was really nice, great group of girls for the Irish Examiner, which I think is out pretty soon in a couple of weeks, which is very exciting. So I'll make sure to pop that up whenever it's live. Anyways, I'm gonna get into some comfier clothes for driving, get some food, and head home to the babies.